Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check that how old is your laptop. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, basically I will tell you a simple trick that you can use to check the age of your laptop. And first of all, you'll have to tap on the startup menu and then click on the search bar and then search for PC health check, and then click on this application and it will take some time to open and load. And Now the application is successfully opened, and you'll be able to find a lot of information about your laptop on this screen. And right now, right here on the third option, just below your desktop version, you will be able to find the age of your laptop. In my case, my laptop is 8 years old. In your case, it may be different, so you'll be able to find according to your laptop. So that's how you can easily check the age of your laptop. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.